Missiles, maritime blockade, and global alarm bells. Well, the Gulf just witnessed a moment that could shake the global economy. It began with flashes in the sky, then came a decision that sent shockwaves across continents. Well, reports say that Iran launched military activity and soon after signaled restriction around the world's most sensitive oil artery, the Strait of Hormuz. And suddenly, global capitals started watching the Gulf very, very closely. But you know why this is such a massive moment? Well, this is because the Strait of Hormuz is not just another water route. It is a narrow gateway through which a huge share of global oil and gas supplies travel every single day. So if this route slows down, then oil tankers stop, fuel prices surge, and economies across the globe they begin to tremble. Now, the ripple effect, it has reached Europe as well. Well, Germany's defense minister, Boris, he has stepped forward with a strong warning. Speaking during a military visit inside Germany, he described the situation as highly volatile, loaded with the potential for serious escalation here. But here's the twist, ladies and gentlemen. He classified that Germany's own military forces are not immediately under direct threat here. Still, his tone carried urgency here. Why? Because this is bigger than one country. Germany is part of NATO, the world's most powerful military alliance, and any inability in global shipping lanes, it automatically becomes a security concern for the entire alliance. Energy security, trade routes, and strategic supply chain, everything flows through these waters. In the meantime, diplomacy is hanging by a thread here. Sensitive negotiations between Washington and Tehran are underway in Geneva. And Iran's military signaling, it appears to be a loud reminder that diplomacy is happening, but under the shadow of military power. Well, German officials are now reviving a very powerful concept, one that has shaped their defense thinking. They call it Zeitenwende, a historic shift in security strategy. It means Europe is once again preparing for an era where military readiness is not optional, it is essential. Can you picture the global chessboard right now? Missiles being tested, warships repositioned, diplomat negotiating behind closed doors, in fact, oil market nervously tracking every naval moment here. One wrong calculation, one aggressive maneuver, and this fragile balance, it could collapse overnight. Well, the world is now asking one chilling question. Is this a warning shot meant to strengthen the negotiations here, or the early turmoil before a much bigger geopolitical earthquake? Because history has shown when the Strait of Hormuz it becomes unstable, the entire world feels the shockwave.